Good day, everyone. Hope everyone doing good. Today we are here in our third video. We talk about our second hangout spot, which is Filet Market Bangi Gateway. Before start, let me introduce our group members. Myself, Sharvania Batumalai, Kalevani, Maran Darshini, and Akif Kamarudin. So Filet Market Bangi Gateway is located at Bandar Baru Bangi, Selangor. This business starts at 5:30 p.m. to 12 a.m. and closed on every Monday. This place is based on market selling which you can get various of food and also shopping items. This place is very flexible choice for hangout spot because since it's located at middle between areas Langor and also Kel, so everyone can enjoying to visit this place. What most interesting about this place is got an official page, Facebook page and Instagram page, which will helpful for the customer to know about the place, and together they will update every activities on that page. So it means the customer will know what their daily activities are going on that place. Since it's a market, you can enjoy having all the traditional foods and not only selling food, but they are also providing various of choices which for sure the customer will enjoy. All the prices is very reasonable and worth to buy if you are looking for the hangout spot which with a low budget. So I'm sure this place will be the best choice. With a good customer care and all the shop owner treat the customer with good service, and the best thing we can see in that place. The street view of this place also good and very harmonic place. So you no need to worry about the traffic jams or any safety, since this place is very known as the safety to shopping and also having a fun. So I pass to Kalevani.
I agree with you, Sharvania. I feel that there are a lot of food choices around the flea market over here. You can't go wrong with the crispy chicken and rice. And if you are a meat lover, keep a lookout for the kambing bakar. It is known as grilled lamb, which starts at Rm 10 ringgit for 100 gram. Moreover, you should also try out their desserts like Drolworthy Chendol Durian for Rm 13 ringgit, mango float with a lot of flesh, and many more. There is also feast on Mi Bedo, Korean fried chicken, shallow, kampung baru cendol, lontong kering, itik gole, ayam gole, nasi kaumo, mango sticky rice, mi celup, ayam percik, char kway teow berapi, waffles, and a huge selection of drinks. The list goes on and on if it's come for food. The food choices are almost endless. You will definitely need more than one trip to feast on all the goods. Bring your friends, family, colleagues, in-laws, outlaws, and everyone else so you can have a good day meal with them happily. How about you, Maren? Do you have any other suggestion about the flea market? Maren?
I think a line is problem. Let me wait first.
Okay, I think if Miriam got problem with her line, maybe I will continue with my point. Okay.
Okay, Akif, can
Alright. Not only food, Bangi Flea Market also have thrift shop. If you are anything like me, having an eye on weird and rare item is really fun actually. Why I like to go to thrift shop in flea market is because thrift shop can give us a lot of benefit. Okay, here's 3 or 4 benefit that I can share with you guys if we go to the thrift shop. First is of course thrift shop can help us can help our financially. Your wallet won't suffer as much as you would surely spend less or pre-loved item. Second item at thrift shop tend to be a lot cheaper, being sold at a reasonable price, and if you happen to have luck by your side, you might even find good quality and well-branded items inside the huge piles. Second, the benefit of thrift shop if earn the mother's come on forks. For once, be a good child. Our mother nature is trying her best to survive today. If you are not willing to help, just don't make it worse. The earth need a hero and you can be one. This is mean like if we go to thrift shop, we can save a lot of money and uh, we will not waste our parents' money or our money. Okay, the last benefit is also in the thrift shop, some stores actually give away their profit in the name of charity and donation. The nearest one I know of is the bargain basement in IOI City Mall, and there is another encounter Kawan Shop back in Georgetown, Penang, and also at Bangi Flea Market. And the last is find one of the best thing of the shop is there is no rules, no boundaries in mix and matching whatever you find and bring about a new style, a style that can define who you are. But the most important part of it all is to have some fun. At the end of the day, you might find yourself surrounded by the best people whom you can call friend. So that is four benefit that I can give um, about thrift shop that we can find in Bangi Flea Market. Okay, so next I think Maren.
Okay, I think I agree with you because it's just a 45 minutes drive away from Kuala Lumpur. We can enjoy a feast at the food fair market, offering over 100 different dishes from more than 60 food stalls. And no two stalls sell the same food. Unlike a normal Pasalam, the food market is located in a large open space area with clean tables and benches provided, so we can enjoy our food on the spot. So we don't have to worry about walking through a crowd or having to bring our food home to eat. On some nights, we'll even get live performances. We can grab a yummy pack of roti chubit to share or not. Nothing wrong with wanting all for ourselves. Price starts at a budget-friendly 3 ringgit 30 cent. At that price, maybe get 2 packs. With we can't go with crispy chicken, and you know what they say, food brings people. Food will probably make sure for life. Another one of the best parts of Bucket Market is delicious and inexpensive way to eat some of the best food in the country. We were able to feel
Maren, your mic is mute.
okay, sorry. Whether or not you're a night owl, a different energy settles over a city when set, depending on the of where you are visiting. Nightlife might consist of live music, bars, huge pulsing clubs, or candlelight cafes with plenty of wine to go around. If you enjoy walking involving in simply but get out at night markets and our friends time, find a cute outfit and accessories, have fun in bargaining, and remind ourselves that we are in Vietnam. So
Marian, done? Are you done? Finish already? Is there anything to add?
No, that's all from me.
So I think now it's time to do conclusion. So Akif.
Okay, so this is the end of our discussion for today about our second hangout place, which is Bangi Flea Market. And I think that we also know that Bangi Flea Market also have many benefit for us, like food and also thrift shop. Okay, so I think uh, see you guys again for our next video, which is we will discuss about next our hangout spots.
KL Eco Park.
Yes.
Our next hangout place is KL Eco Park.
Yeah, so see you next in the next video, which with our topic, which is KL hangout, KL hangout park, right? Okay.
Okay,
So
thank you everyone.
thank you.